fam, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Carolyn Ann, and my channel is a lifestyle channel where I do mainly budget videos, sip and sit videos, vlog videos, and other random videos thrown in here and there. In today's video, we will go over last week's budget as well as this week's budget. If you are interested in this type of video, please stay tuned. But first, I'd like to thank all my new subscribers. Hey fam, welcome to the team. And to all my old subscribers, hey fam, welcome back. So let's get started and let's see how we did. In our budget from July the 2nd through the 8th, in the expense category, I budgeted $211.53 for our utilities, $141.14 for our chiropractor, $48 for our gym fee, $45 for our medical, and $4.50 for our bank fee. That came up to $450.17. In our actual category, we paid $211.53 on our utilities, $141.14 on our chiropractor, $48 on the gym fee, $99.55 in medical, which was a difference of $54.55, and $4.50 for our bank fee. That came up to $504.72, which was a difference of $54.55. In our cash envelopes, I budgeted $110 for lunch, $85 for groceries, $80 for gas, $80 for eating out, $60 for personal, $20 for miscellaneous, and $20 for household. That came up to $455. In our extra category, we spent $70 in lunch, which was a difference of $40, $58 in groceries, which was a difference of $27, $80 in gas, $40 in eating out, which was a difference of $20, $30 in personal, which was a difference of $30. We didn't spend anything in miscellaneous, which left us $20, and nothing in household, which left us $20. Our actual total came up to $278, which was a difference of $157. In our sinking funds, we budgeted $220, and in our savings, we budgeted $100. That came up to $320, and that is exactly what we put in. In our income versus our expenses, I estimated our income to be $1,692.01, minus the expenses of $450.17, minus the cash envelopes of $455, and minus the sinking funds and savings of $320, that left a balance of $466.84, which $350 of that went over into our carryover. In our actual category, our income was $1,692.01, minus the expense of $504.72, which was a difference of $54.55, minus the cash envelopes of $278, which was a difference of $157, and minus the sinking fund savings of $320, that left a balance of $589.29, which was a difference of $102.45. In our budget for July the 9th through the 15th, in the expense category, we budgeted $795.14 for our mortgage, $63.48 for our cable, $20 for our Amazon Prime, and $16.15 for Audible. That came up to $894.77. In our cash envelopes, we budgeted $110 for lunch, $85 for groceries, $80 for gas, $80 for eating out, $60 for personal, $20 for miscellaneous, and $20 for household. That came up to $455. In our sinking funds, we budgeted $220, and in our savings, we budgeted $100. That came up to $320. In our income versus our expenses, I estimate our income to be $1,776.58, minus the expenses of $894.55, minus the cash envelopes of $455, and minus the sinking fund and savings of $320. That leaves a balance of $106.71. So fam, as you can see, we did go over in some categories and we were under in others. With the medical, it's hard to estimate what it's going to be because they are constantly adding different medicines and changing my husband's medicines to see which will work best for him. So that's why the medicine went up, because they did add another prescription on and they changed one of his prescriptions, which made it higher. They also give him a 3-month supply on his medication. So that is one of the reasons why it was so high. But that is all for this video, fam. Please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification button so that you'll be notified next time I upload a video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, fam.